In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Crunchyroll on Discord. If you'd like to watch anime together with your friends while chatting in Discord, this guide will show you how to stream Crunchyroll step by step. We'll also go through a few important settings that can help prevent common issues, such as a black screen or problems displaying the video during screen sharing. Follow along, and you'll be ready to start streaming in just a few minutes. To begin, open Crunchyroll and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged in before you start the screen sharing process, so the episode or video you want to watch is ready to play. Having everything prepared ahead of time makes the streaming experience much smoother. Next, open Discord on your computer. The desktop version is recommended because it generally provides the best screen sharing experience, especially when you're streaming content from a web browser. Once Discord is open, join a voice channel in one of your servers, or start a direct message call or group call if you're only watching with a few friends. You need to be connected to a live voice session before the screen sharing option becomes available. After joining the call, return to Crunchyroll and make sure it's open in its own browser window rather than mixed with several other tabs. This makes it much easier to select the correct window when it's time to start sharing your screen. Before you begin streaming, disable hardware acceleration in your web browser. In Chrome, open Settings, select System, turn off the option labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available, and then relaunch the browser. This setting often resolves black screen issues that can occur while sharing protected video content. You should also disable hardware acceleration in Discord. Open User Settings, go to the System section, locate the hardware acceleration option, switch it off, and then restart Discord. Taking a moment to adjust both of these settings can greatly improve screen sharing performance and help Discord capture the browser window correctly. Once both applications have restarted, return to your voice call and click the Screen Share button. Discord will display a list of available windows. Select the browser window that has Crunchyroll open, making sure you choose the correct window before continuing. Next, choose your preferred streaming resolution and frame rate. Higher quality settings work well with a strong internet connection, while lower settings can provide a more stable experience if your connection is slower. Finally, click Go Live or Share Screen to begin streaming. Return to Crunchyroll and start playing the anime you want to watch. Your friends should now be able to watch the stream with you. If you encounter any display issues, double-check that hardware acceleration is disabled in both your browser and Discord, and verify that you selected the correct browser window. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,